Ever wonder how a simple idea turned into a fully developed client ready textile collection in just a short time? Today I'm walking you through the entire process as we build a home textile collection using Pattern AI. So here's the plan. For this project, I am designing a spring summer 26-27 home textile collection inspired by botanical themes and natural driven prints. The collection will include cushion covers, throws, curtains, and runners. Essentially, a complete home setup that feels cohesive and well throughout. Step 1, Mood board and color board. So this is the mood board for the collection. I have already covered how to create one in previous videos, so here I'll focus on how it informs the design direction. The theme centers around soft botanicals, layered florals, tropical elements, and natural textures. And there's a mix of watercolor style florals with denser plant patterns, which together define the overall look and level of detail. I've also added simple designs like checks and small floral to balance things out. So there's a mix of statement prints and more subtle ones. Also, there's a nice contrast between light, airy design and deeper, richer tone. This makes it easier to use the prints in different ways, like lighter one for things like curtains and bolder ones for cushion or accent. Next is the color board inspired by SS26-27 trend. It combines warm earthy tone with soft cool shade for a balanced fresh feel. Now that we have established a clear creative direction through the mood board and color palette, this is where we shift from inspiration to execution. Let's head into Pattern AI and start building a first design. Step 2, Generating a seamless pattern. With Pattern AI, you can turn a simple text prompt into a production ready pattern in just a few minutes. A link to the tool is included in the description, along with a complete step by step Pattern AI guide if you want more details. I head into Pattern AI and select the advanced model. If you click New Prompt, you'll see multiple auto-generated prompt suggestions. However, since we are working on a collection, I'll paste my own prompt. So the goal is to create something rich and visually impactful, perfect for products like kitchen towels or cushions. Then click Generate, and just like that, we have our first design. It's incredibly easy. If you click on your pattern, it will open in a new tab where you can resize it, preview how it looks, and visualize it across different products. Now I'll take you to one more awesome feature. I'll paste a new prompt and click here. Pattern AI also offer preset style that you can choose from depending on the mood and feel of your design. For this example, I'll select the minimalist style and hit generate. And just like that, while you are still thinking of design idea, it create a pattern in seconds. Step 3, Swatch to pattern. One of my favorite feature is turning a simple swatch into a full pattern. Sometimes a client or buyer give you a swatch and want the exact same print or something very similar. Instead of straining your eyes over tiny details, you can just go to create, select from image, upload your swatch, and hit generate. Within seconds, it create a pattern that either very close or nearly identical. You can even show your client a couple of options and let them choose what they like best. And honestly, the best part, it only takes a few seconds. Let's try another example. I'll upload a cushion image and hit generate. See how smooth that is. Step 4, Building colorways. This is where things start getting exciting. Head to edit, recolor, then upload your design. If you are in the mood for speed, hit auto and click generate. And let AI instantly create a range of color variation for you. Want more creative control? Switch to palettes. You can explore preset option or build your own using brand color or specific shades. Even better, you can save your custom palette for future projects. I'll select two and click generate. And here's the real magic. Clients almost never approve the first colorway. What usually take hours of tweaking and back and forth. Now it happens in seconds. Fast, flexible, and actually fun. And if you want to make edits, just click edit and upload your pattern. Then choose the specific area you like to modify or remove. Enter a prompt like same pattern and remove this flaw and click generate. You can easily fix anything that feels off or add new element as needed. It's smooth, flexible process perfect for professional workflow. Less chaos, more control. Step 5. Convert pattern to vector. Finally, I convert the pattern into a vector format. This step is important because your vector file can scale to any size without losing quality. From here, you have several options. You can download your design as a PNG, upscale the pattern, or convert it into vector files. Simply click here. It will open in a new tab. Then choose the number of colors you want and click Vectorize. After that, you can review the color distribution. Next, you can download the file as SVG, Illustrator, or TIFF. Now, let's open the file in Adobe Illustrator. As you can see, the file is clean and well structured. At this stage, you can tweak the design and make any changes you like. By this point, your pattern isn't just visually complete, it's technically ready for production. Step 6. Apply to mockups. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Click Export and select Check on Products. This will give you a range of product mockups such as tote bags, phone cases, fabric swatches, wallpaper, notebooks, and more. Since we are working on home collection, select Home Decor, then upload your pattern. Choose a product like a kitchen towel and click Generate. What's impressive is how quickly this works. What would normally take hours in Photoshop can now be created in just minutes. Once everything is generated, download all your mockups and move them into Adobe Illustrator to finalize and wrap up our collection. First, I place the heading in the corner, then I add my mockup, followed by the pattern layout. On both sides, I include the print size for clarity. Next, I create a table where I list all the tag pack details. From there, I repeat the same process to build out the rest of the collection. And that's it. That's my full workflow from a single idea to a complete client ready pattern collection. What I really love about pattern AI is that it doesn't replace creativity, it enhances it. You are still on guiding the vision, it just helps you get there faster. If you are working on textile collection or surface design, this workflow is honestly a game changer.